Hey art friends, today we're drawing one of my favorite summer treats. We're drawing Hawaiian shaved ice. I hope you have your art supplies all ready and you're gonna follow along with me. I'm using my markers to draw in color with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing the cup that our shaved ice is in. We're gonna draw a horizontal line going across our paper, and I have it towards the bottom so that we have room for a big pile of shaved ice. Then we're gonna draw another line right below it for the lip of the cup. And we can curve down on both sides to connect it. Okay, now let's draw the sides of the cup coming down and towards each other, towards the bottom. So we're gonna get a little closer towards the bottom. Then we can draw the bottom of the cup connecting together. Now we're ready to draw the shaved ice and a big pile of it. The more the better. We're gonna draw little bumps, just really small bumps. And I'm gonna draw it coming way up high. And the smaller the bumps, the better the ice, right? We want really fine shaved ice. So it'd probably even be softer than this, but that's okay. We're gonna draw it with texture all the way over to the other side. So we kind of draw this big upside down letter U with lots of little bumps. Now you can pause the video if I'm going too fast and you need extra time to finish any of these steps. Okay, now let's draw a spoon sticking out of the side. We're gonna draw a really skinny upside down letter U. And we need to add a paper umbrella. Let's start up here and we're gonna draw a big upside down letter V. We're gonna start, let's give our guide point right in the middle, and then we can draw a big diagonal line coming out to the side. And then let's add two more diagonal lines, a smaller letter V inside. Next, we can connect these lines with little curves. These are my favorite. Even when I'm done with my shaved ice, I still like to keep these. Next, we can draw the stick or the center of the umbrella. Let's draw two lines connecting to the shaved ice. We can also draw them sticking out of the top. And then we can also connect the top. Okay, let's also draw the little sticks coming out of the umbrella. So right here on each of those diagonal lines, we can draw little square U's. And the last thing, we need to add a funny face. I'm gonna draw it down here at the bottom, and I'm gonna draw it super happy. You can change your funny face any way you want. I'm gonna draw my favorite mouth. Draw the teeth on the top and the bottom, and then we can draw tongue. Sometimes I like drawing the tongue sticking out. This time we'll draw it inside. There we go. There's our little mouth, but you could change this. You could draw it laughing, you could draw it yelling, or maybe it has brain freeze and you can draw the eyes closed. I'm gonna draw them open. And always the first bite of my shaved ice, I get brain freeze, or it freezes my throat. And we're gonna draw little circles inside of the eyes and then color in the big circle. This makes the eyes look shiny. And we did it, we finished drawing our Hawaiian shaved ice, except we need to add the flavors and all the colors. This part will fast forward because I want to challenge you to color your drawings differently. You could change your shaved ice to be any flavor you want. I couldn't pick just one flavor, I had to add them all. I'm calling it my Hawaiian rainbow flavor. I have strawberry and pineapple and blue raspberry. I also added some Hawaiian decorations down here on the cup, but you could change your drawings any way you want. You could change the flavors, you could even add a background, maybe the beach with some palm trees, or even yourself getting ready to eat your shaved ice. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. I'm sure they turned out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.